everybody, my name is Sherry. Welcome to my stamp studio. So I have an unboxing for you and I'm going to do it the old-fashioned traditional way. I just literally did this. I went down and took some bread out of the oven. So if you watch this video, I was unsure if I would be able to get to my unboxing video today, but I am. So I will probably post it first and then this tomorrow. So you'll want to come back and watch that. This is from my card club. It's happening in October. So go watch this and learn all about the card club, and then you can watch this. I'll post it sometime over the weekend. So I am going to do it like this because I have lots to do today and unboxing really shouldn't be a thing. But I got it. I want to show it to you and I want to see it. So normally when I've started doing these, because I get a lot of stuff, I kind of go through and separate it first. I'm not going to do that this time because I don't have that much stuff, so I should be able to figure it out. It's all online exclusive except for some kits, which are going on sale. So I know I've had so many of you ask in Card Club what our November thing is. It's in the box. I just don't know which one we're going to use. So it does have all the new packaging, which means the whole box was smaller. So let's do the kits first. These are available now, but you don't want to get them today. Let me move this up a little bit. Sorry, because they're going to be on sale soon and I'm not sure when because lots to do. Did you catch that? So yesterday I was out running errands. I thought I got 3 kits. Maybe I did not, because sometimes when I order we'll see what these are and maybe it's just packaged different. This is the Remembering Christmas kit. It is a book, a scrapbook. So you can see it's nice big scrapbook and all of the pieces that you put, but all of the kits are on sale and I don't know when. Soon. So you might want to hold on and get these kits. This feels like it's the Nutcrackers. Yeah, these are Nutcracker tags. My daughter was infatuated with the Nutcracker when she was smaller, so it still plays a prominent part in our Christmas, although most of the Nutcracker decorations have gone away. But now that I have a grandson, so there was another kit. I thought I got all 3, but sometimes that happens. So let's see if I can put these together and what they go in. That goes with this one. This is vellum, 12 by 12 vellum. And it's funny because I don't know which video, if you watched me recently make a card, and I was like, if we still had vellum, I would be using it. And now we do. I did not know that when I said it. Okay, let's see if we can piece this together, and then I'm gonna have to go check my computer to see why I don't have 3 kits. The other one's a Christmas card kit. Maybe it's not a bit, maybe there was an issue with it. I don't know. Maybe I just didn't order it. We're gonna guess by the way they look. I think that goes over there. What's this called? Okay, so are you noticing a theme? This is one of the reasons I wanted to see it. My daughter is not excited about the new packaging. I am so excited about the new packaging because I have so little space in my studio. Okay, is there not ribbon with this one either? I'm just gonna have to go check my whole thing. So this one is called Petals of Beauty. I'm pretty sure that the beautiful pattern embossing folder, look, it's an old-fashioned small one. And then these are the pearls. Aren't those pretty? I know I had scissors. I just opened the box. And then this is the paper. If I'd had time, I would have gotten my things out to put this into, but it's just in the sticky paper. So here is, oh, I love colors. And those are great for November and December when you just want a floral card, but you don't want it to look like too bad, so sad it's not summer. So that's the paper, the embellishments. I'm shocked that there's not a ribbon, but there might not have been. I didn't really look. I just ordered the sweets. So you can see now that these are both dies. These are both stamp sets, and they're all the same. So the Petals of Beauty, And then my most favorite new change is that the dies are now on front, because I am bad about putting my stuff back after I use it. And so then I literally spend a whole afternoon every 4 weeks or so trying to figure out where they all went. Now I just have to look at the case. As it stands now, I have to go look online or get catalogs. So you can see this one has a bunch of words that we can do. So that may be card club. Maybe this ribbon went with that. Maybe this one. Here, let's do these so I can move these. This makes pop-ups. So the little vase will pop up, but I foresee the pop-up being used on lots of cards. I don't think it just has to be used with this stamp set. So that's called Pop-Up Petals. And then this, I thought was an embossing folder, and then when I added it, I noticed it was stamps. So it makes a linen background. Then this one is called Creative Haven. And you can see these stamps go on those dies. Here are the embellishments, which I love those colors. I don't know. Neither one strikes me that it has green. Garden green and white ribbon. It's very pretty ribbon. Maybe there's garden green on another paper in here and I just don't see it. I prefer when our paper comes in this than the one I just ripped out of the other. And now these days, I'm always afraid that perhaps it's going to have die cuts. And as I flip through those, I knock them all out. Another reason that it's better for me to do an unboxing when I know what's coming. So you have some books. We have beauty supplies. We have cooking, which is what I should be downstairs doing. I need to go make myself a coffee. And we have a KitchenAid there. And we have plants. So it's all the stuff where we feel creative. My plants are stressing me. They've overtaken. And now that we have a baby back in the house, I have lots of baby stuff. And I'm feeling overwhelmed by them. So I need to find some place to put them. Then we have sewing, which I love. It does have needlepoint. I can do needlepoint. And I can iron. Oh, it does have die cuts. Good thing I didn't flip them. It's 2 sheets. This is a lot of stuff in here. Looks like they're identical. Yes, they are. So I only have to show you one, but there are 2 sheets. It's just some of the imagery. So there you go. I just wanted to show you the new thing. Check back later this weekend, especially if you're in Card Club, and I will post the video of the card that I showed you at the beginning. This will be faster to edit and get done. Have a great one. Bye.